Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, for instance, I'm going to add the photo to the main thread and how to add the overlay. So select the photos or videos you want to make as an overlay. So I'm going to select the image overlay. So just put on top another clip, and this is the photo overlay. You can remove from the background, select cutout, select chroma key or auto cutout, but I am going to select the auto cutout for this photo. Okay, you can resize and adjust for the position and size. All right, to add another overlay, just do as before, put on top another clip. Sorry, please select chroma key to remove the background. Alright, resize. Alright, and I'm going to add another overlay, put on top another clip, and I'm just going to alright, auto cut out. Alright, resize, and you can also blend the overlay. Go to basic and select mod overlay. For example, I'm just going to select the overlay for screen right hand. So alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.